Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Hero by Skillet on guitar. First, ensure your guitar is in standard tuning, E-A-D-G-B. This song primarily uses power chords, which are fantastic for rock music. You'll need to master E5, C5, G5, and D5. These are fundamental shapes that will form the backbone of the entire song. Focus on clean fretting and a strong, consistent strumming hand to get that powerful skillet sound right from the start. Moving into the verse, the progression is quite straightforward, primarily alternating between E5 and C5. You'll want to strum each chord about 4 times, maintaining a steady, driving rhythm. As you transition to the pre-chorus, the energy builds with G5 and D5. This section acts as a powerful lead-in to the main chorus, so ensure your chord changes are smooth and impactful. Pay attention to the song's dynamics here, gradually increasing your intensity. The chorus is where Hero truly explodes with energy. You'll use the E5, C5, G5, D5 progression again, but with a much more aggressive and full strumming pattern. Really dig into those power chords to capture the song's anthemic feel. The bridge offers a slight change of pace, often incorporating a different rhythmic emphasis before returning to the powerful chorus. Practice these sections to ensure your transitions are seamless and your playing is dynamic, reflecting the song's emotional arc. For the guitar solo, focus on the E minor pentatonic scale, which provides a great foundation for the melodic lines. Incorporate techniques like string bending and vibrato to add expression and feeling to your playing. While the solo might seem challenging, breaking it down into smaller phrases will help. Finally, the outro usually circles back to the main chorus progression, providing a strong, conclusive finish to the song. Keep your energy high until the very last chord rings out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.